Hi, I'm Vikas Kanade. I work for BladeLogic Portal as a senior QA engineer. In this video, we'll see how to do the management of data refresh users for BSA. We enroll the data refresh user during the portal installation, which is a must step. We can still do the updation of data refresh users using the maintenance tool post installation of a BladeLogic Portal. To launch the maintenance tool, we need to traverse to the installation directory of BladeLogic Portal. It's in program files, BMC software, BladeLogic Portal, BladeLogic Portal, BladeLogic Portal maintenance tool. I'll just launch it. Click on OK. Select the BSA data refresh tab from these. This is a maintenance tool where you can see the already enrolled data refresh user for this portal installation. You can edit, delete this data refresh user using this tool. We can add a new data refresh user for BSA by entering the username, password for this user, the authentication method, and the role name for this user. Click on add. When we click on add, it validates the user details, the authentication method, and the role name with the enrolled BSA. Because the role name is case sensitive, the BSA connection has been failed. Now if we correct the role name and then again click on add, it will validate it and enroll the RH1 as a new data refresh user. We can edit the already enrolled data refresh user. Click on add. And the data refresh user has been updated. The maintenance tool validates the duplicate entries of the same user here. If we try to enter the same user again, it will throw the error. User already added. If we don't give a password, it says password is must. We can delete the added data refresh user. We can add a data refresh user which has multiple roles. Password for this user, authentication method as SRP. The other role for this user, if we click on add, it will validate the user with both the roles and then add it. We can modify the added user with role. We can add one more role along with this. We need to enter password here. Click on add. So this time the data refresh user which has 3 different roles, we can still able to enroll this user as a portal data refresh user. There is a link available here which lists the minimum permissions required for the portal data refresh user. These users have just been added into the maintenance tool. Unless these users are added into the BMC config JSON, these users won't be having access to fetch the latest information from the BSA. In order to do that, we need to click on save. This says data updated successfully. To confirm that these users has been added into the BMC config JSON, we can just check the BMC config JSON. This is a data refresh node for the BSA in BMC config JSON. And if you see, we have multiple users here. One is a BL admin user, which was existing already. And this is a new user which we have added using the maintenance tool, portal data refresher. And these are the different roles for this user. We need to restart the portal service to take these changes in effect. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on BladeLogic Portal. Thanks.